Hello everyone, in today's video we will continue with the series Uncovering Deceptive Apps. This time we will focus on app called Emoji that promises to earn a lot of money in just 28 days. We will install it and find out if it really delivers on its promise. Access the App Store and search for Emoji. Proceed to install it, and when installed, open it to start purging. As we purge the game, we encounter instructions and supposedly receive $10 through PayPal. But is true? After purging and watching several videos, we go to the reward section. According to the app, we need to reach 200 points, and it leads us to 72 hours countdown to watch 100 videos and activate the rewards. Here's the trick. After watching the 100 videos and activating the reward, we are told that we will receive your money in 48 hours. But there are conditions: we need to watch another 100 videos. However, upon dying, so we encounter a daily limit of 100 requests and are asked to wait to 72 hours to watch another 100 videos. After watching over 800 videos, we realized that the counter indicates we had to wait 72 hours or watch another 100 videos. But then they tell you to wait 168 hours to receive the money we supposedly earned. This confirms that the app is a scam and does not fulfill its promise of paying you to pray. Friends, it's important not to be deceived by this type of apps that only seeks to generate profits for their owners. Saved Emoji will not pay you for praying. It's simple, a deception that uses the video you watch to generate income. Don't fall into this trap. Subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you like it the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.